English phrasal verbs you should know. Hold on, wait or pause. Let down, disappoint someone. Give in, surrender or concede. Run out, use all of something. Give out, distribute something. Give out, distribute something. Look up, search for information. Get over, recover from something. Blow off, ignore or skip an event. Kick back, relax and take it easy. Catch on, become popular or trendy. Run into, meet someone unexpectedly. Run into, meet someone unexpectedly. Show up, arrive or appear somewhere. Run across, find something by chance. Do without, manage without something. Pick out, choose or select something. Call off, cancel an event or activity. Get by, manage with what is available. Get by, manage with what is available. Make up for, compensate for something. Take up, start a new hobby or activity. Put off, delay or postpone an activity. Turn up, arrive or appear unexpectedly. Turn in, go to bed or submit something. Run out of, have none of something left. Run out of, have none of something left. Talk over, discuss something thoroughly. Stick to, remain committed to something. Wrap up, finish or complete an activity. Check in, register at an event or place. Get off, leave a form of transportation. Back up, support or reinforce something. Head out, leave a place to go somewhere. Back up, support or reinforce something. Head out, leave a place to go somewhere. Come along, arrive or accompany someone. Think over, consider something carefully. Get into, become interested in something. Go off, stop liking something or someone. Brush up on, improve skills or knowledge. Turn down, reject an offer or invitation. Brush up on, improve skills or knowledge. Turn down, reject an offer or invitation. Pop in, visit someone or a place briefly. Come across, find or encounter by chance. Go out, leave home for a social activity. Turn around, change or improve something. Jump in, participate suddenly or eagerly. Sort out, organize or resolve a situation. Sort out, organize or resolve a situation. Chill out, relax and do nothing stressful. Figure out, understand or solve something. Try out, test or experiment with something. Sign up, register for an activity or event. Put up with, tolerate something unpleasant. Head off, begin a journey or leave a place. Put up with, tolerate something unpleasant. Head off, begin a journey or leave a place. Live up to, meet expectations or standards. Call up, contact someone, usually by phone. Stay up, remain awake for longer than usual. Cut back on, reduce the amount of something. Call on, ask for participation or assistance. Put on, organize or produce an event or show. Put on, organize or produce an event or show. Stay in. Remain at home instead of going out. Keep away, stay at a distance from something. Join in, participate in an activity or group. Keep at, continue with something persistently. Look after, take care of someone or something. Check out, try something or look at something. Check out, try something or look at something. Break into, enter or start something suddenly. Get on with, continue with an activity or task. Turn out, happen or end up in a particular way. Go over, review or examine something in detail. Give it a go, try something for the first time. End up, finally arrive at a situation or place. End up, finally arrive at a situation or place. Take off, become successful or popular quickly. Bring along, take someone or something with you. Play around, engage in light-hearted activities. Wind down, relax after a busy or stressful time. Put aside, save or set something aside for later. Pull through, recover from a difficult situation. Work on, practice or improve a skill or activity. Break down, stop functioning or become emotional. Take in, watch or experience something enjoyable. Back out, withdraw from an agreement or activity. Stick with, continue doing something consistently. Go for, choose or engage in a particular activity. Get together, meet socially with friends or family. Get together, meet socially with friends or family. Dip into, take a brief interest in or try something. Hold back, restrain or prevent from doing something. Get around to, finally find the time to do something. Settle down, become calm or comfortable in a routine. Catch up on, do something that was previously missed. Get through, complete or finish something challenging. Get through, complete or finish something challenging. Mess around, engage in playful or careless activities. Look into, explore or research a new hobby or activity. Give up, stop doing something, usually a hobby or habit. Veg out, spend time doing very little, often watching TV. Move on, progress or continue to a new phase or activity. Hand over, give control or responsibility to someone else. Zone out, stop paying attention or become mentally absent. Hang out, spend time doing casual activities with friends. Keep up with, stay at the same level as others or something. Warm up, prepare for a physical activity by doing exercises. Look forward to, be excited about a future event or activity. Get back into, re-engage with a hobby or activity after a break. Cool down, do light exercises to relax after a physical activity. Catch up, meet up, and talk to someone you haven't seen for a while. Pack up, collect belongings or equipment after finishing an activity.